Okay, John, so if you are a investor and you're a foreign investor, we just saw the biggest inflows into the equity market in Japan in 2.5 years. Is this the trade into Sunday?
Well, foreigners definitely are getting more excited about Japanese stock market for several reasons. One is it's a great play on global reflation because Japanese profit margins are lower than the rest of the world. They tend to benefit more in a global recovery when the top line recovers. Now, as for the politics, yes, I mean, the news is that Abe will survive quite nicely out of this. People were expecting quite a challenge at one point, and now it looks like he'll ride through it quite easily.
Well, the issue, though, is what are they going to do with all the money? And that's the corporations. They have so much money on their balance sheets, and they're not spending it. We have a great chart that shows a discrepancy between that. If we can go ahead and pull it up, it's like $3.6 billion in corporate balance sheets are those orange lines. And the blue lines are actual business investment. Is part of the thesis also you want that money returned to shareholders versus CapEx?
Absolutely. That's been going on for quite some time, but they've been making so much money that they don't know what to do with it in a way. They're not extremely enthusiastic about plowing it back into their own economy through CapEx. So I think buybacks definitely should be on the rise.
So, as you say, the polls at least indicate Prime Minister Abe will win and will win handily. Right. But will he have enough of a mandate to do things like raise the VAT tax that he's talked about?
I think he's sort of locked into that now. He's saying that he's going to spend the money first before they even raise the taxes. So he sort of has to raise it, in my view. So, yes, the supplementary budget will probably be coming through fairly shortly on that.
And is that fiscal stimulus baked into the equity numbers we've seen?
I'd say so, although it's not really the sort of money that gets moved back to the economy quickly. It's moving for education, and it's money for education and re-education of certain elderly people, and so it's more for long-term productivity rather than short-term gain.